everyone, good morning. We are from Group 2. Now we are going to present our material, culture and technology. But before we come to the presentation session, let me introduce me and my friends. My name is Satya.
My name is Novi.
My name is Rifa.
My name is Anna.
My name is Iflaya. And my name is Regita.
I am going to be the moderator and the first speaker. In this opportunity, I will present the main points that we will discuss in today's presentation. The first is as island, ethnicity, culture, technology, and the last season.
Island. Major islands and number of islands. Japan consists of 4 main islands, namely Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu, as well as 3,000 other smaller islands. Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world with more than 17,000 islands. Including major islands such as Sumatra, Kalimantan, Java, Sulawesi, and Papua. Population. The difference in population between Japan and Indonesia is striking, reflecting the different demographic dynamics in the two countries. Indonesia, as the fourth most populous country in the world, has more than 270 million people spread over 17,000 islands. Japan, on the other hand, has a population of about 125 million, which show a high level of population density, especially in major cities such as Tokyo, Osaka, and Yokohama.
For two on ethnicity, ethnic distribution, there are several ethnic minority groups that also contribute to Japan's cultural diversity, namely Ainu, native to Hokkaido, the northernmost island of Japan. Okinawa, people from the Ryukyu Island who have a different culture and language from the ethnic Japanese on the main island. And 3 Korean and Chinese are immigrants or descendants of immigrants.
Ethnicity. Some of the major ethnic group and their distribution in Indonesia. Japanese, the largest ethnic group in Indonesia with about 40% of the total population. Sundanese, the second largest ethnic group, also located on the island of Java, mainly in the province of West Java. Batak, originating from northern Sumatra. Minangkabau, originating from western Sumatra. Bugis and Makassar, originating from southern Sulawesi. Dayak, ethnic group inhabiting in the island of Borneo. Papuan, an ethnic group that inhabits the island of Papua and its surroundings.
Culture diversity, homogeneity, and heterogeneity. Japan has a high degree of ethnic homogeneity, with the majority of the population being ethnic Japanese. In contrast, Indonesia is a country of high ethnic diversity with more than 300 different ethnic groups. Each ethnic group in Indonesia has its own unique language, custom, and tradition, creating a rich cultural mosaic. Language. In Japan, Japanese is the official language and is widely spoken throughout the country. Indonesian, on the other hand, has more than 700 regional language, with Bahasa Indonesia being the official language as for inter-ethnic communication.
Culture diversity, arts and tradition. Japanese culture is famous for traditional arts such as ikebana, flower arranging, and the Hanami cherry blossom viewing festival. In Indonesia, arts and tradition vary greatly between ethnicities. For example, traditional dances such as kecak dance for Bali, saman dance for Aceh, and carving art from Kalimantan. Each region has its own unique festival and celebration such as Lebaran, Nyepi, and Cap Gomeh. Social values. In Japanese culture, values such as discipline, hard work, and social harmony are highly valued. In Indonesia, family value and gotong royong are highly emphasized. Religion. Japan has strong influence from Shinto and Buddhism, which shape many aspects of daily life and tradition. Indonesia is the country with the largest Muslim population in the world, but also has communities of Christians, Hindu, Buddhist, and other local.
Culture food. Raw materials. Japanese food often has fresh and high quality ingredients such as fish, vegetable, and rice. Indonesian food is very diverse and has a variety of ingredients, including spices, meat, vegetables, and rice. Cooking methods. Japanese cooking methods often emphasize simplicity and beauty of presentation. Indonesian cooking methods are more varied, including frying, boiling, and grilling.
Culture art. Performing art. Japanese art includes various forms of performing art, such as kabuki, noh, and bunraku. Indonesia. The performing art in Indonesia are very diverse, with many traditional forms of dance and theater, such as wayang kulit, kecak dance, and saman dance. Visual art. Japanese visual art are famous of ukiyo, wood blueprint, calligraphy, and ceramic. Indonesia visual art cover a wide range of forms, including batik, wood carving, and painting. Music. Traditional Japanese music, such as gagaku and samisen, has a distinct structure and often involves element of improvisation. Traditional Indonesia music is very diverse, with instruments such as gamelan and angklung.
Culture technology. Infrastructure. Japan has an excellent technological infrastructure, including a fast and widespread internet network, an efficient transportation system, and advanced research and development facilities. Meanwhile, Indonesia's technology infrastructure is still under development. While there has been progress in internet access, especially in major cities, there is still a gap between urban and rural areas in terms of technology accessibility. Agricultural facilities. Japan is known for its innovation and high technology in agriculture. The use of robots, sensor, and information technology in agriculture is increasingly common. Although in Indonesia there are some initiatives to adopt modern technology in agriculture, many farmers in Indonesia still use traditional methods. However, there is an increase in the use of digital technology, such as farming apps to assist farmers in land management and product marketing.
Transportation. Japan has highly development and integrated transportation infrastructure. The railway system, including the Shinkansen high-speed train, is one of the best in the world, with high speed, punctuality, and comfort. Indonesia transportation infrastructure is still under development, while there are some major cities that have public transportation systems such as Transjakarta, Bus Rapid Transit, and Jakarta MRT. Many areas in Indonesia still rely on private vehicles and traditional transportation. AI or robotics. Japan is also a pioneer in the development of advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence (AI), Internet of Things (IoT), and transportation technologies such as high-speed trains Shinkansen. Indonesia has experienced rapid growth in the technology sector, especially in startup and e-commerce.
Seasons. Number of seasons are climate. Japan has a climate that varies depending on the region. In general, Japan has 4 distinct seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. The climate in Japan can be divided into several zones, including a temperate climate in the north or Hokkaido and subtropical climate in the south or Okinawa. Indonesia has a tropical climate which is characteristic by warm temperatures and high humidity throughout the year. Indonesia has no winter. Instead, the year is divided into 2 main seasons, the rainy seasons and the dry seasons.
Pros and cons population. Indonesia has greater growth potential with a young population, but needs to overcome challenges in education and social inequality to maximize that potential. Japan faces serious challenges related to an aging population and population decline, which may affect future economic growth. Innovation and technology. Innovation in technology in Indonesia has a number of significant advantages, such as easy access to information that increase people's knowledge and improve efficiency and productivity in various sectors, including health and education. However, there are also drawbacks that need to be considered, such as inequality in access to technology between urban and rural areas, and limited human resource skills in adopting new technologies. Japan is known for its strong research and development, resulting in continuous innovation and high quality products. However, there are also drawbacks to note, such as the demographic challenge Japan faces, including an aging population and declining labor force, which may hinder innovation.
Pro and cons. Number 3, education. One of the main advantages of education in Indonesia is its relative accessibility, with many scholarship programs enabling children from various backgrounds to continue their education. However, on the other hand, education in Indonesia also faces various shortcomings, such as inadequate facilities, especially in remote areas, as well as the uneven distribution of educators. Japan has a very high literacy rate and performs well in various international exams, reflecting the high quality of education. However, behind this advantage, there are some disadvantages, such as high academic pressure that can cause stress among students. Number 4, employment. One of the main advantages of employment in Indonesia is the diversity of job opportunities available in various sectors, ranging from agriculture, industry to service, allowing individuals to find work according to their interests and skills. However, on the other hand, there are some significant drawbacks, such as wages that are often disproportionate to the workload, especially in the informal sector, which can result in economic insecurity for workers. Japanese work culture also emphasizes discipline, dedication, and teamwork, which can create a productive and harmonious work environment. However, on the other hand, there are some significant drawbacks, such as long working hours and pressure to work overtime, which often result in physical and mental health problems for employees.
There is some factors of technology in Indonesia: agriculture, technology, transportation, and e-commerce.
There is some photos of technology in Japanese: agriculture technologies, robots, and Shinkansen.
Conclusion: Japanese technology is more developed than Indonesia. But Indonesia culture is more advanced because Indonesia is high social, while Japan is individual.
Thanks for your attention. That's all presentation from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.